All right, fellow AMC ape holders, X-Max Trading here. Just want to go over some DD regarding the technical analysis of AMC. We had kind of a disappointing Friday. So, especially that 45-degree angle of the hedge fund attack at the last possible second, of course, on Power Hour. It always happens. We just buy puts on Fridays, not financial advice. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit the like button in this video, and let's get started. So let's look at some AMC technical analysis here, ideas on trading view. AMC stock bear is about to get raped, going all in here. So what this guy is seeing is falling wedge, kind of broke up. Now it may retrace and then shoot up to like these Fibonacci extensions. That's interesting. He's saying that possible retrace and then a major breakout. So pretty funny. And let's see. Make it or break it. I like this one a lot. So we had this run up here, predictable. Started this pattern run up, collapse back down, and then it starts to run up. So we have this channel that we're in. Try to hit play, and so there's a predictable. So it seems like it's reasonably predictable at $12. Up to 70, so 12 times 5 is 60, so 5.5 times, somewhere around there maybe. And this was, let's say, $2.50 to 20. That's like 10 times 10, almost times 10. So maybe a little bit less each time before the major morass happens when their shorts are. But I think, not financial advice, but I think a lot of people are hoping for this to shoot up to $250, maybe somewhere in there, the very, very peak, $250, and then maybe retrace back down. But hopefully, if we retrace back down, we stabilize at like $90, $100 somewhere there, then we can go into another run-up. This is similar to my charts. So we have this channel, this pitchfork. So I had this pitchfork here, and looking at this channel, this seems to, this is late January to late May, start of the run up. So this is like January to May is 4 months, right? So every 4 months it pops up here. So the prediction, if this holds, this goes to about $290, $250, somewhere around there. So maybe it goes to this line here, maybe 265, the very peak. So this is the hope, no guarantee. I was trying to predict from this peak to this peak, what's that difference, and extrapolate that to the next one, about $250, so roughly around there. So it will be interesting. There's a lot of good movies coming out for AMC. Dune, the Shang-Chi came out, the 10 Rings. There's like a James Bond. There's the Batman. So a lot of good stuff coming out. And then also they're doing the theaters, or they're doing the sports, right? Football at AMC theaters. And NFTs, perhaps. They're trying to still work that out. NFTs for certain movie tickets. So I think they're rolling the ball on this. So let's go back here and let's look at the chart. We don't want this to collapse. Shoot, is the thing. So it did kind of breach one support level, but this is on the daily. Somebody was noticing that this is a reversal candle. So the volume, also someone noticed too that the volume is low. This is going down. You expect volume to pick up, to go on the short side, and people selling out, but the volume is not that great. So I still like that triangle formation though. Let's see. Let's go down onto the 1 hour. We're just hoping this doesn't break down, because that would really suck. So if we look at the simple moving averages, let's look at the 9 period 1 style. Green, cross, 100-day moving average is yellow, cross, the 200 moving day average is the one favored by Paul Tudor Jones, red. So let's go on the daily. So green wise, we're in this 9-day simple moving average. This followed it pretty nicely up. So we did cross beneath it. We're in this temporary bearish terms, but as far as 100-day moving average, yeah, it's creaking upwards. So I think that we could fall a little bit more and we can come back up. As some other people have implied, this could be a bear trap and it goes back up. It'd be nice to stay above this trend line, so that we can continue to, move forward at a higher base for it to load up, for it to explode upwards. So, everyone's watching this. This is such a big deal. Well, actually, it went below this. It went below this support line, but didn't go. It went below that one. Shoot. All right. Let's see. It's indicators, stochastic. Oops. No, I don't want to do that. Stochastic. All right. So this is indicating, let's see, oops. 14, 3, and 3. So indicating it could come down, it could start to reverse a little bit. Indicators, MACD. So from bullish terms to more bearish terms, but it may retrace up and go back up. So that's what we're hoping for. And let's take simple moving average. Let's look at the Bollinger Bands. So obviously it's hitting the middle ground. I don't know. I think it could reverse. I think this could dip below, come back up. This could reverse. And if we could just stabilize, we're going to fight. We don't want this to collapse. But if we can stabilize, then I think we're doing pretty good. At the 1 hour. See, at the 1 hour, it's below Bollinger Band. Kind of broke it, went back up to the median. So hopefully we can get back up to this median, the median of the Bollinger Band. I think we might, like we're at the bottom of the stochastic and the hourly. MACD. Hopefully this may reverse. So, I think we just got to fight to hold the ground, Not financial advice. All right, guys, until next time.